Well, we have been out following this flooding since early this morning, as so many of us were out and about encountering the high water, many of us on the morning commute.
Yep, definitely. You know, new here at 4, WATE 6 on your side, reporter Kirsty Crawford checking out those roads for us and talking with those of you having to go out there and deal with them.
Called in this morning, took pictures, sent them to my supervisor. So I won't be in today.
A few people calling out of work, or at least late today, water covering portions of their morning commute. Many people able to leave their home, but some getting stuck shortly later. If it wasn't water, it was downed trees like this one on North Hills Boulevard. Several areas of Emory Road look like this today. Water completely covering the roadway, and in some points, even almost flooding some mailboxes.
I saw it to like where it is on the stop sign, but it's never went like past the stop sign.
Emory at Collier, an issue for parents taking their children to school. Greg Marlowe lives nearby. He says this intersection has flooded before, but not like this, at least not since last February.
Both sides of the road has ditches, so when it gets any type of water on it, you can't tell where it's at, and we have people being pulled out. Every time it rains like this, we get a big rain, there'll be people in ditches.
First responders busy all morning with water rescue calls. A few happening on Emory Road, this one near Powell Drive, and this one on Emory at Jim Wolf Road. On I-640, potholes becoming so bad, TDOT making emergency repairs. In Fountain City, Powers Road, one of multiple flooded streets. The only way to get to Richard Nicely's barbershop, parking at Shoney's and walking over.
I drove across this morning, but I wouldn't advise it. I didn't drive across from this way. I drove across this little water right here, but I wouldn't advise the deeper water.
Kirsty Crawford, WATE 6 on your side.